Hello everyone, here's an overview of this week. So today is Monday. Today's a project work day. So hopefully you have narrowed down the list of ecosystems and you're ready to getting close to making your choice. We are going to have a live session today at 11 o'clock. So if you have any questions about the requirements or you need some help choosing your ecosystem, join us today at 11. Tomorrow, diving into the Flexbook. Last time this year, last trip into the Flexbook, we're going to look at Chapter 3, Ecosystem Dynamics, and you'll do a discussion post. Day 3 is on Wednesday. We're going to have an assignment, Organisms and Abiotic Factors. This is information you need to include in your presentation, and you can, once you've completed Wednesday's assignment, you can copy and paste it directly into your project. So in this document, there's a template, looks something like this. You're going to need to fill in the name, or excuse me, the type of the organism, the name of the organism, and then the scientific name for the organism. There's also a smaller table in the document, and you're going to list abiotic factors from your ecosystem. And that was Wednesday. On Thursday, you've got another work day. So similar to today, you should be doing some research, maybe working on your presentation, the theme, finding pictures and finding the citations, that kind of thing. And then on Friday, you've got another assignment. You've got to do your interactions and your works cited. So you're going to describe 2 interactions that occur in your ecosystem, predator-prey, commensalism, something like that. And then you're also going to start on your bibliography. So here's some reminders on how to do your bibliography. Remember, you have to cite all your photos. So, and this is due at the end of Friday. And again, once you're done with this assignment, you can copy and paste it directly into your presentation. So hopefully that makes your life easier. You guys have been doing excellent work so far. We're almost there. So everybody keep pushing on and we'll be done soon. Take care.